What's going on, guys? So we got a first pull done on the ported blower on Chuck's car here. So he had the blower sent to Jokerz, and they did a stage 2 port on it. So that's just basically inlet porting. It is opened up to do the 105 millimeter VMP throttle body, but right now we got the stock throttle body on it. So got our first pull done. We wanted to do just one pull to verify timing and fueling. And obviously we saw quite a bit more boost. We saw another 2-ish pounds of boost over the stock supercharger. So the porting definitely did something. So I'm gonna make some tune changes here. I'm gonna play with the timing a little bit, the ignition timing. I think maybe add another degree, see what that does. And we're gonna do another pull here, and we'll get that on video, get the car spun up so you guys can see what it does, and hopefully we make a little bit more power. Be nice to see another 10, but I think we're pretty close on the timing. The fueling looked really good, so we'll try that degree of timing and see where it gets us. All right, guys, so I hit a torque limit on the throttle, so got to make a couple more tune changes. So you can kind of see on the graph there, the timing, it did like the timing down low, about 4,000 RPM, but right at about 4,200 RPM, I hit one of the torque limits that I didn't raise up high enough for this extra boost. So got to make a tune change. We'll spin it up again and see if we can fix that. Okay, so dyno graphs for Chuck's car, some final thoughts here. So we got that 932 you guys saw, that last pull we did. We just did that cooler pull about an hour ago, and 936, so we gained a little bit, but you know, like I said, we're gonna be about the same. I'm pretty happy with that. That's, I mean, again, that's no headers, that's the Jokerz port, JLT intake, and a 2.9 upper pulley. So we're seeing with the Jokerz porting, we're seeing about just touching 17 pounds of boost. So the green run, so I put that one back up there so we could compare these two, and in a sec here, I can bring the two up. Actually, I'll just do that right now. So I'll do that final, and then I'll do before the porting, so we can kind of get a good idea on what the Jokerz porting did. To make note, the blue run here was before we ported the blower, but also a 2.8 pulley. With the Jokerz port, we actually put a clutched pulley back on it. For road racing, we like having a clutch pulley for on and off the throttle. And so that's a 2.9 pulley. So you can see with the pulley change, with the smaller pulley, the blue run, without the porting, obviously we made a smidge more boost down on the bottom here. But once you get up to the top, once you get it above 5,500 RPM, you can really see what the porting did up here. I'll bring the cursor up and we can kind of see gains, starting down here, that's 23 horsepower gain, and then we start seeing it in some more. So that's, whatever, that's 27. And you can see as the RPM increases, we keep seeing more and more gain. So we're not super comfortable revving them much higher than, that's 8,400. We could probably go 85, 86, but this, again, the focus with Chuck's car is road racing, and he's not going to be shifting at 8,500 on a road course. So we're probably going to be shifting it, right about 8,000, maybe 8,100, just for the sake of the motor and longevity. But still cool to see that gain. Obviously, that Jokerz porting did something. I mean, it's proofs in the pudding there in the dyno graph, and we're really excited to get some headers on this thing. And I'm thinking we're going to see a 4-digit number eventually with his car and my blue car. Once we get headers and we can pulley them down a little bit, just to make a 4-digit number. So yeah, that'll wrap it up for this video for Chuck's car and that Jokerz port. And again, like, subscribe, share, hit the bell, get some notifications from our channel. Check out our other videos. We got some 650 content on there. Yeah, we'll talk to you later, guys. Thanks for watching.